Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time watching me, my name is Sharon Izibili. Join the family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so you can get notified and be the first person to watch my video. Do you want your kids and your family members to lick their plates and hands after eating your meal? Then this recipe is for you. Please watch to the end so you get the exact recipe.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are the someone I've been trying to meet.
So first I'll be peeling the cocoyam, the potatoes and your ripe plantains. Make sure you wash your plantain before peeling. So this is the bitter leaf that I will be using. I got this for 100 naira in the market. I'm going to be plucking them out of the stem and then I'll be slicing it. So first of all, you have to rinse out all the sands out because you don't want to be eating your meal and tasting sand inside. You have to rinse thoroughly. So do not wash your bitter leaf, only rinse it as much as you can just to get the sand out of it. For this slicing process, if you have a chopping board, then it is necessary that you use it rather than slicing the way I am doing right now. I really don't have that time to go look for a chopping board and start. This is how I normally do it, but for you, so you do not hurt your hands or cut your hands, it's more advisable to use a chopping board. So this is how it looks after chopping it. So now I'll be putting some water inside a pot and then put it on the fire and adding my cocoyam and all, then add salt to it, stir and then cover for it to boil. So I think it's boiled now, so I'm going to be checking if it's soft enough. Then I'll be sieving out the water. You don't want to leave your water inside the pot while waiting for the sauce to get done because it will get soggy. So I'll set that aside and then take an empty pot, put it on the stove or on the gas if that's what you are using. Then I'll add a little bit of water to the pot and then I'll add potash, which is also called ACNE here in Nigeria. So you don't want to use a lot of potash. The reason why I'm using potash is just so that the bitter leaf can soften very well. Then I'll be adding pepper, your Maggi cube, your onions, and then you add curry to it, and then salt. I'll be adding palm oil, now it's time to add the bitter leaf that you already chopped earlier. Mind you, we didn't wash this bitter leaf, remember. So I'll just stir it around and then cover for a bit. So right now it's boiling, it's still boiling. So in another bowl I'll get some eggs and then I'll whisk it. Add salt to the eggs. So now this is the bitter leaf without the egg. I'm going to be pouring the egg inside now. So I let it stay for a few minutes and now we are done. This is how the sauce turned out. So guys, I'm done cooking the food. I'm done with the food. So please drop a comment on what you think about my cooking, if I should do more of cooking videos, or you can also make suggestions of the videos you would like to see on my channel. Please subscribe. I'm open to a lot of suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.